Verifying a payment method on Coinbase ensures secure crypto purchases and withdrawals using methods like bank accounts, ACH, debit cards, or PayPal. Verification involves micro-deposits for banks, 1 to 3 days, or instant checks for cards or PayPal. Limits start at $25,000 per week for verified methods. The process takes 2 to 10 minutes via the Coinbase app or on Coinbase.com. Log into Coinbase. Open the app or visit Coinbase.com. Sign in with your email and password. Complete 2FA, SMS or Authenticator. Access payment methods. Tap Profile, top right, Settings, Payment Methods, or linked accounts on web. Click Add a payment method. Choose method, bank account, select bank account, enter routing and account numbers, or use Plaid for instant login. Coinbase sends 2 micro deposits. Debit card, enter card number, expiry, CVV. Instant verification via a temp $1 hold, check bank app. PayPal, select PayPal, log in to authorize, instant if linked. Verify, for banks, wait 1 to 3 days, check bank statement for deposits, return to payment methods, enter amounts, verify. For cards or PayPal, confirm hold or login completion. Confirm status, verified methods show a green check mark. Test with a small buy, $10.